Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world direct drive technology. In today's episode, we're exploring an 8 carriages and 4-axis system. This application is made with granite profiles. Why granite, you may ask? Granite provides unparalleled straightness and flatness, essential for achieving the highest levels of precision. But precision isn't just about the base. This system boasts a 50-nanometer high-resolution encoder, ensuring the best accuracy and repeatability. Let's talk about the bearings. They include a specialized system designed to correct deviations between the two parallel axes. These bearings are vital for maintaining the system's integrity and preventing overheating. Now, let's dive into the system's capabilities. We're talking about an acceleration of 15 meters per second squared, the velocity reaches up to 2 meters per second squared, and a reproducibility of 5 micrometers, all ensures a swift movement and reduced cycle times. Lastly, let's talk about its load capacity. This application can handle loads of up to 4 times 5 kilograms, demonstrating not just precision, but also strength and versatility. This automated system is more than just a machine. It's designed to meet the needs of industries, precision and speed. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you soon.